here, day 3 post-op hair transplant with Dr. Alexander. I had another good night's sleep last night on my back. I did put one of those pads on my pillow just to stop any blood from going through. On the pad this morning, there's only a couple of very small drops of blood, so that's a good sign that scabs are forming. Pain today is minimal, even less than yesterday, so that is good. I did end up going to the grocery store yesterday, and when I went out, I did use a cap, a baseball cap, to hide my hair transplant. We are told not to use anything tight fitting, so no like beanies or toques or anything like that that would be touching the grafts. So I did have a hat that actually worked out quite well. It does have a Velcro strap. So I just kind of loosened it up to put it on, and then I just kind of put it against my forehead and gently put it back, and then just tied the strap back and just made sure there's lots of room here. It's not touching at the front or the back where the hair grafts are. So that worked out very well. One thing I haven't mentioned yet is, I went to the grocery store yesterday, so there's a lot of lifting and bending, but just make sure that you're lifting and bending with your knees, not your back. You might get a little dizzy in your first few days after the hair transplant, so always just use your knees for that. Other than that, I just finished doing my soak today. So I had the mist for 10 minutes that I do in the morning and the evening, and then I also just took a shower. So in the shower, I just did from the neck down, just making sure that I'm not touching the hair during the shower. But yeah, if you can see today, it looks somewhat the same to me. Yeah, not sure if there's too much of a difference looks-wise, but I'm pretty happy with the progress so far. Nothing major else to report for today, but I'll let you know how day 4 goes.